Hey, Dovine here from Building and Blogging. I'm going to show you how to clean your shower from building up that water at the bottom, and a couple tools here you're going to need. Just wait. If you want to do it right now, just get one of these. You can get it at the dollar store. They come in a pack. And then you're going to need some gloves, and then a garbage bag here for all the shit that you collect. Alright, let's get to it. First, you're going to need a screwdriver, and there's a little screw down there that you're gonna have to unscrew using your screwdriver. So just unscrew that and then pull this off. So this you can take off, and then you can either put it back on if you want, but I'm gonna leave it off. So slide it down and then move it around. Pull up. Try not to splatter stuff like that. So then this is what it'll pull up, pretty nasty. I did this a few months ago, so it's not super bad. So then yeah, just push it down and then bring it up, but don't bring it up easy so you don't spray stuff you're pulling up all around. Then pull that out. And then keep doing that a couple times till you stop pulling stuff up. If you use your snake thing and got all cleaned up and you got everything clean, instead of putting that thing down, I would grab one of these covers and then just suctions it down, and then it covers the hole, and that'll catch all the hair and crap going down, so you don't have to have your drain do the snake thing even less. So, alright, just comment, follow, like, whatever. So as you can see, that cover that I put on does a good job of collecting it ahead of time, so it'll save you the stuff down the drain, and just cleaning this out every couple of weeks, and you don't have to do that other nasty stuff, and just keeping it clean will help. So I'd recommend one of these, and then you don't even have to have the drain plug on there unless you use it for a bath or whatever, but I'd highly recommend one of these.